The complexity of the YouTube algorithm can be hard to understand, but let me try my best to explain. Imagine this. You are watching a show on Netflix. Right before you are going to bed, the episode ends with a cliffhanger. And before you can decide to stop watching, the small little timer for the next episode starts. And you feel like you just have to know what's gonna happen next, and boom, just like that, 2 hours has gone by. Familiar? This is called compulsive viewing, the experience where something is so interesting or so exciting that you can't stop watching. This is every video site's dream because they want you to continue on being on their site and watch the next and the next and the next video so they can serve you ads or you will continue your subscription, like YouTube Premium for example. With this in mind, we can hack the YouTube algorithm. If you are new here, my name is Espion. I am a video producer with over a decade of experience with both YouTube and video production. So, explaining the YouTube algorithm. First of all, you need to know this guy. His name is Todd. He's been on YouTube since 2014 and he's basically the grandfather of the YouTube algorithm. And if you have that in mind, you know that the YouTube algorithm is not an AI, it's not a computer. It's simply just him and most likely a team that has created a way for viewers to stay on the site for even longer. So I want you to do this. The next time you are going to YouTube to try to find a video to watch, try to switch your mind from relaxing and just watching and just consuming the content. Switch it over to analyzing. If you're able to analyze this, you can use this in your advantage. You are watching YouTube and your favorite creators because you enjoy them for some reasons. Understand those reasons and try to implement them in different ways to your videos. Of course, you need to change it and twist it and make it personal and your own. Take some inspiration from real life. It's not only about YouTube Studio and your channel and targeting the algorithm, you need to target humans. If we replace the word algorithm with audience, viewers, you will understand it a bit better. So when you are interacting with YouTube, either by liking, commenting, maybe you see one of those community posts and you click on a question or something, it will try its best to understand who are you, how old are you, what are you interested in, oh, you enjoy this YouTuber, maybe this one is also cool for you. If you're able to also take that information and change it around where you are the creator, like you are, and produce content that people will enjoy, that people find interesting. Make community posts so people can interact and answer questions. What's your favorite flavor? And you can have questions and people will interact and they will be served your videos in the future. YouTube will never work against you. It will always try to find the right audience for your channel. When you are posting a video, YouTube will then take your video and show it to those that have subscribed to your channel, those that were watching your videos the last time, and be like, hey, this YouTuber has posted a new video, are you interested? And if people are clicking on your video but they are not really watching for more than 30 seconds or so and they click off, maybe you need to change something. If you then go back and you look at your favorite YouTubers and movies and stuff like that and you take inspiration and you're able to level up your content so it's better, maybe the next time YouTube goes to that group again to show your video, maybe they click again and be like, hey, you have actually changed, you have leveled up, I will actually enjoy this now. And then YouTube understands that this first group enjoyed your content, let's try this next group. This group is even bigger. And this group, it will analyze, it will try to serve your videos into this group. And if a lot of people enjoy your content in this group as well, it will move on to an even bigger group and an even bigger one and a bigger one. And then your video will go viral, I guess. So it's important to learn from your YouTube Studio and look at returning viewers. Make sure that your content is good, that you are doing your best when it comes to YouTube, that you are producing the best content. Here's one thing that is important to remember. When you post a video to YouTube, it sometimes takes YouTube a while to get that video across the internet and make sure that people are actually watching your video. Sometimes a lot of viewers tune into your channel right away, and that's super good and that's awesome, but sometimes it takes a bit longer. Before you stress out and change your thumbnail and title and just panic, wait until the 48-hour mark. After around 48 hours, YouTube will figure out a way to show your video to the audience that want to watch it. So if you're able to Relax after I posted a video. Don't change your title and thumbnail like 200 times because you freak out. This might just hurt your video. Relax, wait 48 hours, then you can start to tweak your thumbnail title. So yeah, wait until 48 hours and your video might get more views. But here's my question. How do you make people subscribe? Watch this video right here and I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjørn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye.